How to blur multiple faces in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device and import your video or photo with multiple people. After you've done that, add it to your timeline. Then click on Effects at the top. In the search bar, search Blur. After you've searched Blur in here, add the blur effect. After you've added the blur effect, adjust it with your video. Then click on the mask option at the top right. After you click on mask, click on add mask. In add mask, you'll find different shapes. Select the shape you want it to be. I'm simply selecting circle. Now adjust and move it to the person's face. After you've done that, scroll down in mask and you'll find track mask. Click on track. It will track it for you with the help of AI. Now you can simply repeat the same process. Add blur effect, add mask, select the shape, reshape, drag it to the face, scroll down in mask and track it. After you do that, the blur effect will track. In this way, you can blur multiple faces. This is how to blur multiple faces in CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.